to the scene there.
Yes, authorities have led us in front of this home. As you can see, the whole side of it is blown out. You see the windows in the front of it blown out as well. We have a fire official here currently addressing the media at this point. Let's see if we can dip in here and get the details of exactly what happened here.
And all that stuff.
Can you tell us again, we're now live on Fox 8, can you tell us again what happened here and what you have in your hands?
So shortly after 9 p.m. we were dispatched to this residence for a reported house explosion. It was called into us by one of the neighbors, heard the explosion. When we arrived, we found an active fire in the house as well as a significant explosion to the rear of the structure. We had several family members were outside at the time. They were taken to the hospital for minor injuries to Geauga Medical Center where they're being treated now.
Were they inside the house at the time of the explosion or did they get out before?
They were inside at the time of the explosion.
Any idea at this point what has caused this?
We're still investigating that. We have the FIU team here checking into it. We have the gas company on the scene. They're checking some stuff as well. So at this point, it appears there's an explosion. We're certainly investigating everything to rule some stuff out, and we'll go from there.
One more question. Was there significant fire? The home appears that it exploded, but I don't see significant fire there.
There was some fire on the inside. We were able to get guys in there and put the fire out relatively quickly. There's minimal amount of fire in there, but significant damage to the rear of the home from the explosion.
Okay, thank you very much. So you hear it, what happened here at this home on Penniman Drive in Hamblen Township near Chardon. We're going to get more information, but as you see, there's quite a bit of information that we just received. The good news here, again, minor injuries, but when you look at this house, that's incredible.
Minor injuries, and as the firefighter said there, Kevin, these people were inside the house when that explosion happened. Just imagine that and what could have been.
Right, exactly, and I don't know if you can see on the side here, but the whole side of that house has been blown out. You can see the windows there on the bottom. The bottom looks like it's pushed out. Had to be an incredible force there.
I'm sure just a terrifying scene there, but thankfully everybody got out okay and just some minor injuries tonight. Kevin Friedman from Geauga County, thank you.
Certainly.